Body language is 55% of communication. So do you know what your body language is saying? Anybody have a teenager? That body language says an awful lot. What does your body language say? Anybody know what their body language communicates? Let's find out. Okay? Just say yes.
Yes.
Okay, good, good. When I say okay, your job is to just say yes, because that means we're going to do something. Now, everybody pick a partner. We have a buddy for this session. You're going to get out your cell phone. All of our cell phones these days have little cameras on them, right? So what we are going to do is this. You are going to hand your cell phone to your partner. Your partner is going to take a little video of you saying your name and the name of your company. That's it. Okay? Now, don't freak out too much. It's going to be on your phone, so no one else in the world has to see it.
Your name and
How many people get the heebie-jeebies when they have to stand up in front of people and speak? And if you don't raise your hand, you're lying. We all do. We all do. We call it stage fright. And it's this ridiculous rush of adrenaline through our bodies that makes your palms sweat, dries out your mouth, and shorts out your brain. You get up in front of a group and I worked with a woman who had bought and sold companies on Wall Street. She was powerful, she was strong, she wanted to get out of Wall Street, can't blame her, and start her own business, so we started working on some marketing videos. I turned the camera on and she went, she couldn't remember her name. She could not introduce herself because that camera was so intimidating. And this is a little exercise that I taught her. Introduce me, your name, and your company.
Hi, to yourself. Or?
Yeah, you can, there, I'll.
Hi, everyone. My name is Kim Blumker. I work with the Lower Bucks County Chamber of Commerce.
All right, how about Blumker?
Blumker.
And give a little lift to the first syllable.
Blumker.
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 All right, and I'm raising the pitch a little bit. Blumker.
Blumker.
Woo.
Yeah.
That is understandable, right?
Yeah.
Do you see a difference?
Yes.
Yes. There's a significant difference. Even though your presentation was beautiful before, now it has what? Give me words.
Power.
Power. What else?
Maturity.
Maturity, confidence. And all we did was that, well, it would have been a lot quicker if you hadn't fooled around so much, but it takes 15 seconds to do that little exercise to get you grounded, more powerful, more open, and more professional. And for someone of your age, that is going to serve you very, very well.
And what did you think of the seminar?
I think it was incredibly powerful in that
Seriously.
everything Sally said was immediately applicable to every business person in the room. I think personal communication is one of the things that business people struggle with the most. And so to have someone give such tangible and immediately applicable results was very, very valuable, and I'm grateful she came down.
Thank you. And what did you think of the seminar?
I thought the seminar was very enlightening. I do a lot of speaking before the general public, and she gave me some valuable tools to relax and reset before I stand before a group. So.
Thank you. So what did you think of the seminar?
I thought it was great. It kind of showed that instead of adapting to a situation, you kind of need to conquer your fear and move forward.
Thank you.